political power so that we can face the problems of our country. We have to build a digital country. We have to bring our nation in the middle income group by 2021. That's the objective. And it is professional, we engineers. We can contribute mass in this area. And this kind of seminar, this kind of conference is actually prerequisite to meet that demand. Gentlemen, we know we are given training to build the world. The world is polluted throughout the whole world. Maybe through climate, maybe through any other effect, it is polluted. We need a new world. We need a new future. And these engineers, these are professionals who can think, who can inspire themselves to build the nation, to find a new future. And it is possible to build a new future only when we can build the fusion between the academy and the real world. But to bring the knowledge, but to bring the things, the real world, what our society needs, what our industry needs, what our culture needs, what our people to make that relation, cooperation, collaboration, both from the academy side as well as from the industry side, so that one can understand oneself thoroughly to contribute something to the science. And it is this conference. We not say it is the first of its kind in Bangladesh. They are organizing such a kind of seminar, through which we can think of our development of coming up shipbuilding industry in the country. It is a very promising area, promising state in the country. We think that can give a boost in the economy of the country. So at that primary stage, such kind of conference, such kind of interaction with our fraternity countries, friends, definitely will improve, definitely will give us solution to many of our problems. Gentlemen, it is definitely that our engineers will train them, will give the ideas so that they can think themselves. Our students should search innovative ideas, creative ideas. If we cannot give the creative idea, then we cannot build the professional in the standard of innovation standard. You are making the shipbuilding workers here, but that shipbuilding workers not only work in Bangladesh, they should have the capability to work throughout the globe. Throughout the globe. That's why they should be given such a training so that they have the initiative, innovation, and they can create something. Multicultural avenue, multinational division, multidisciplinary, they should be familiar with this also, especially in the perspective of our country. Few months back, I visited during the invasion of the Middle East country to investigate the performance of our graduates, our professionals in there, because those countries are given appointment, our graduates, one rank below, which we cannot accept it. That's why we had to visit them and try to convince them that our graduates, our engineers, our professionals are nowhere less than any class in the world. So, you can keep it one rank below, then it's there. They mentioned that after conclusion, after the find that, they told that your engineers, your professionals, no doubt good. But the thing is that the communication, the interaction is no doubt poor. They know the subject, but how they will implement this, how they will reproduce it, how they will take into the society. They are lacking of that. However, we talk to them, mention them, make a lot of discussion with them, ultimately make to convince them. Our engineer, our professional should be appointed to his desired rank. Provided we include in our curricula the capability of exchanging ideas with the multinational, multicultural situation. So, this kind of conference, I believe we can give importance to this, so that they can raise the vocabulary, they can raise their communication, and in that communication they can find friendly in any culture international. This kind of conference probably it will help with that thing. We have to make the foundation. We have to make the foundation of our graduates, of our professionals. And we will build over the foundation his whole career, whole activity or development program. So that is the good foundation. Probably this kind of conference, seminar, or symposium, no doubt contribute much in addition to the academic performance. So, I expect that we want to give our engineers and professionals of this kind of strength. It is obvious, you know that. Whatever we give, lectures or teach, the receiver cannot get more than 10%. They cannot remember 10%. More than 10%. But he has to work how the methodology of training, how the methodology of this kind of conference shall be given so that the receiver can remember, can use 100% of it. So that's why to make it probably our way of presentation, our deliberation shall be changed so that the people who are receiving, they can accept 100%. Through this kind of modification, through this kind of methodology, if we move forward, probably we can transfer our knowledge from the academy to the industry with thoroughly and rightly, properly, so that we can build our nations. As such, we can give the honor to the there is the announcement given by the Prime Minister in the Copenhagen discussion. Gentlemen, we are engineers, professionals. We have no doubt we are building the nations and hope to contribute much for building the digital Bangladesh in upcoming years. With that, I thank you all. I thank the Naval Archaeology Department. For the first time they are organizing such a kind of international conference where they can contribute much to the shipbuilding industry, to the booming in the country. Hope they will continue this kind of gatherings, this kind of conference in future too, so that we can find more information, country can be more benefited through this kind of conference. With this, I thank you all and I conclude here with the thanks. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating and encouraging speech. Ladies and gentlemen, now the time to hear from our respected chief guest, Mr. Shajan Khan MP, Honorable Minister of Shipping, Government of the People's Republic of the Honorable Minister.
Honorable special guest, Professor Dr. S. Ahmad Islam, Vice Chancellor here. Honorable guest of Honorable Professor Dr. K. Rahman, Pro-Vice Chancellor here. Honorable Chairman, Professor Mohammed Khalil, Chairman, MARTEC, 2010. Representatives from electronics and print media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am very pleased to be present at the inaugural ceremony of the International Conference of Technology, MARTEC. It is an extraordinary gathering for a highly talented researchers, scientists and engineers are present to